We are going to start with the main compound of calcium now, which is calcium carbonate. And you know that what is the common name for that? It is limestone, also called as marble. You come across marble, you all have marble chips at home. Maximum times you see that the floors are made up of marbles. So marbles are none other than the limestone, that is the calcium carbonate. So the chemical name is calcium carbonate and the formula for it is CaCO3. So the first thing is that how we can prepare this marble. So marbles are prepared by using a slaked lime, which is calcium hydroxide, and also by use of calcium chloride. So let us prepare it first by using the slaked lime. So you have a slaked lime CaOH whole twice. You need to pass carbon dioxide gas through it, and when you do that, you get calcium carbonate, which is this thing limestone, which we were looking for, and along with that we get water. We can prepare it from calcium chloride also. We have calcium chloride. What we need to add? We need to add sodium carbonate. We need to add sodium carbonate. So again, you can do this reaction by making use of valencies. It's like this. So obviously you are going to get CaCO3 with NaCl. So this is how from slaked lime and by use of calcium chloride we can actually prepare the marble, which is a calcium carbonate, also called as limestone CaCO3. Now moving on to the properties, then how it looks like, it is a white solid, very hard solid. It is insoluble in water, it doesn't get dissolved in water. But it shows you can say an interesting property on heating. What happened? You have calcium carbonate. So when you heat it in a temperature range of 1000 to 1270 Kelvin, it actually gets decomposed, forming lime with carbon dioxide. So you can get, like when you heat it under this suitable range, you get lime, that is calcium oxide with carbon dioxide. And reaction with acids, how it reacts with acids? Suppose you have this thing calcium carbonate and you have acid, let's say hydrochloric acid. So this is going to react here. So you get CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. So what you see that carbon dioxide is maximum times evolved whenever you react with some oxyacids. And where it is being used, it is in constituent of chewing gums. As you all chew gums, right? So it is in constituent of chewing gums, used in toothpaste, used as a building material, used as an antacid also. And moreover, it is the highly precipitated calcium carbonate is used in making the high quality paper also. And it is a flux in metallurgy. It is a flux in metallurgy. So you have seen that we can actually make use of limestone in various purposes. And apart from that, you can also use it in making many other compounds, as you can form lime, and you know that lime when mixed with water can form slaked lime, and moreover you can form many other salts also. So this is what is a limestone. So you saw that how we can prepare, what are the basic properties, what happened on heating and how it reacts with acids, and moreover where it is being used. So these are all about the compounds of calcium. So that is the lime we did, the slaked lime we did, and the limestone.